So I'm here to announce the Escape is gone. It served us well. My wife's family actually bought it when new, so it's been in her possession for a while. But as anyone from a snow state knows, those cars suffer from terrible rust issues. Ours was no exception. Between the rust and some mechanical problems that I didn't want to address because of the rust, it was time for it to go. In its place is a 2020 Volvo XC90 Momentum with the T6. We were originally looking at Fords, knowing that a new Volvo was well out of our price range. We stopped by the dealership as kind of a joke, and they had this car available to test drive. We test drove it, my wife instantly fell in love, and so, rest is history. I'm really excited about owning this car. I think it'll serve our family great. It's also the nicest and newest car I've ever owned, so I don't know what to do with my hands. There's nothing to do. There's nothing to replace, there's nothing to fix. It even has all-weather mats. I can't even install those. It came with all-weather mats. If you guys have any videos you want to see about the car, features, content, things like that, let me know and I can make whatever you want. Otherwise, I'm going to try and figure out some content to make with this car, but I'm really just going to enjoy it and take it all in. Don't worry about the channel. I've still got the old V-Dub and the old Volvo, and they've still got work that needs to be done to them. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Now enjoy some B-roll of the new car.